Are you thinking of starting a school or community garden? Maybe you're a teacher, a parent, someone in the community that wants to inspire gardening? You've come to the right spot. My name is Kimberly. I'm an English teacher by trade, a gardener at heart.
Well, it's definitely flannel weather. I've got a great juice. I'm getting ready to check on the garden, and I thought I would invite you along. Let's see what's growing in my fall winter garden.
And I also love to create garden to table meals and was featured on the show MasterChef with Gordon Ramsay. So let's talk about some reasons why you should start a school garden. The first and most obvious is the educational opportunities that blossom when you have a school garden. Not only can students learn about materials inside the classroom, they can also have hands on learning outside of the classroom. Having a school garden is an excellent way to talk about health and nutrition and show students what it's like to have access to fresh, nutritious produce. It can encourage eating healthy and also provide some physical activity. Having a school garden also promotes community building. It really fosters a sense of unity and belonging. Gardening goes hand in hand with community building, and it promotes mental health and well being. It can help students reduce their stress, improve their mood, and enhance their connection to nature. Having a school garden can also have some economic benefits. Class projects can be turned into school fundraisers. And let's not forget the beauty of gardening. Having a school garden can improve the aesthetic look of your school and provide a beautiful space outdoors for students to visit. Last but not least, a school garden can create opportunities for students to feel a sense of empowerment and leadership. School gardens can help develop leadership skills, organization skills, and also fosters a sense of ownership and pride. I hope you'll like and follow this channel to learn more about creating and maintaining a school garden.